Come. Welcome. Stop, Onyx. I'm trying to figure out. Oh my god. Onyx. Oh my god. Onyx! Welcome to my Barcelona apartment tour. Entryway where you just came through. When you come to the left here, we have our 3-for-1 wombo combo. You've got the lounge, the dining room, and our kitchen over here. So starting with our lounge, we finally got a couch cover over here. We've got the tally. I put this bench here. So this bench originally came with our dining set. I'll explain that in a moment. But for now, I brought this bench here and I put these pillows here just to add a bit more like seating space. And also it's so nice to like put your glassware on when you're like watching telly. And Mark and I eat dinner here and lunch and blah, blah, blah. So we don't actually use the dining set. But over here where the dining set is meant to be, Onyx. He knocked the plant over. It's more my office space now. I initially had this as like an open concept plan where like the couch was set up here and then this was the dining set. I wanted it to be like, you know, the cute blue velvet chairs with the contrast of the wooden table, the bench that I had over there, like it was all of like, you know, Pinterest gave me all the ideas and it was really super cute, but because we don't use this as the place to eat, it ended up just becoming my office space. Oh, my computer's turning on. What is happening? This is where I'm going to be doing my uni. This is where I'm going to be editing this video. This is this space where I do all of that. So then the other benches, I was like, what am I going to do with that? Because this table came with 2 benches. I put one in the lounge room, as you saw, and one is in Mark's office. Then around the corner here, we have a dryer, because when I first came here, I was like, I need a dryer. But this is the worst dryer of all time, so. Over here we have the kitchen. Don't know how I feel about an electric stove top. Like, I'm more of a gas girl. I feel like aesthetically, electric wins, hands down, 10 out of 10. But in terms of functionality, I'm just more of a gas girl. But, okay, we continue on. Here we have one of my plants that have survived. This is our like laundry space. And then we have how you're meant to dry your clothes here. You're not meant to use the dryer that I bought. You're meant to use the good old Mediterranean sun. So this is what everyone does here. You put your clothing out here to dry. It took me about 1 year to get into that feel and that vibe of like, yeah, I should really use this instead of using the dryer that I bought. Behind you in this door is our washing machine / all our cleaning products. Over here is the smallest bathroom of all time. We have shower, we have sink, mirror, and toilet. You know, all the things that you need. Worst shower of all times. This bathroom floods every time we shower. So now we're gonna go in this direction. Here we have some hooks that I've added up here so we can put like Onyx's leash. We've got Mark's shoe rack. Oh, I was gonna say one thing back at the bathroom though. When we first wanted this place, like when we first were looking at this place, I really wanted this place because of one thing and one thing only. But you were like, maybe not, the bathroom's a bit small, we should keep looking. Do you remember this? But I was like, no, it's okay, the bathroom will be fine because I wanted one thing, which I'm about to show you. Which I'm still happy with this decision, but that bathroom's so bad. I should have listened to you. I should have listened to you. Anyway, keep going. Here to the left is Mark's office, but we won't go in there. / all of Onyx's space. Here we have the master bedroom. So we've got Mark's closet over here. We've got our €4 IKEA lamps. We love a bargain. And then coming through here, we have our balcony, which opens up to the main street. here in Poblenou. We have all the lovely people walking by. Got a few restaurants. We've got the ambience of children crying, which nothing is happening today. Usually it's on cue, but today we don't have that luxury. Alright, carry on. This is where the other bench went. We've got some Pokemon here. And then we have my closet. This is what I was willing to sacrifice. The bathroom situation was purely for this space. My closet. I love this space. I've always wanted a walk-in closet, so I honestly, like, every single day I feel like, is this mine? Like, I'm so grateful to just have this space. And over here we have my mirror situation. This is where I do my skincare, my makeup, because there is no space in the bathroom. I literally do everything in this room, in this space. So yeah, that is it. This is our small apartment tour. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to see some more Barcelona content, let me know. Barcelona. 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 Barcelona.